Hello there. In this next tutorial we're going to be looking at how you would combine various different pages into one single PDF file using the Adobe Acrobat application. So it's a very simple app to use. We're going to start with we just go to a folder where I've got multiple individual pages saved. So you can see I've got a mixture of PDF files, but I have a JPEG down here as well. So you can use a mixture. And I've also got a Word document. So as long as you're saving the files that you want to include as JPEGs or as PDFs, you will be able to combine them all together within Acrobat. So I'll just start with going into Adobe Acrobat. Again, this is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud package. It's not the free application, but you can download it for free at the moment. We're then going to go File, Create, and then Combine Files into a single PDF. You can either then drag and drop the files into here, into this window, or you can select Add Files, find where the files are saved. So mine is in individual pages, and I'm going to click on each of these. So I'll include a JPEG. I'm using a MacBook Pro, so I'm going to hold down the Command key so I can select multiple files. So I'm going to select 2 PDF files and 1 JPEG, and Add Files. You can see they've all been added in. At this point, you can really easily just click and drag to reorder the pages as you wish. You can also hit the delete key to delete a page, or you can select add new files as well. And we're going to click combine. And then it will open that file up in the Acrobat window. You can see it's called it Binder 2. That means it's combined all the files together, but it hasn't saved it yet. We've got 3 pages in the document, so I'm just going to scroll through each. And you can see it's combined them all together. So at this point, I can choose to save it, or if I want to just do a little bit of editing, I can go to Tools and then Organize Pages, and this will allow you to rotate the pages if you want to rotate those around. Again, we've got the same options for deleting and inserting extra pages there as well. So close that down. It still hasn't saved. You can see it's called Binder 2, so I'm going to go to File, Save, and I'm going to save it into the correct folder. So got a folder saved there. Just going to call this multi-page PDF, but I would normally recommend that you include your name in all of your PDF files, your project submissions. I'm just going to add the number 1 to the file name, click Save, and then we're just going to check the size. So I'm just going to close that down, find where I have saved that file, and let's just see. So control click, go to Get Info, or you can right click and go to Properties on a Windows PC. It's 2.8 megabytes, which is really small. However, if you've got multiple pages, you can also use the file save as other reduced size PDF option as well, which was detailed in another video. And just to quickly go through with you different saving options. So one of those files I created in Illustrator. So I've just gone to File, Save As, and I've chosen PDF. One of the files I have created in Microsoft Word, and I've gone to File, Save As, and select PDF from the option there. And in Photoshop, you've got the option of saving as a PDF, but sometimes the file sizes are quite large for Photoshop PDFs. But you can try that out first of all, because that will retain most of the quality. So we've got Photoshop PDF, and if you untick the layers option there, that will help to reduce the file size. Save that into the correct folder. Just rename it. And when this comes up, you've got this Save Adobe PDF dialog box. Just make sure that you untick Preserve Photoshop editing capabilities and embed page thumbnails, and then you're also ticking Optimize for fast web preview, and that should help to keep the file size down for that individual page. You can select Save PDF, or alternatively, if you're still having problems with the file size, you can go to File, Save As, and just select JPEG. But just beware with that, if you have got fonts included, you might lose some quality with the text.